find Toyi, I ain't no shit. Ogile police station. No space. No space for police brutality. NSAS. NSAS. Ogile police station. NSAS.
What did they happen for Nigeria today? You get a CB. The thing can't tire me. I look. I say, me, I don't see what I want to talk for you. When I look and say, okay, make I just talk in form of, I beg me, I want my own now to beg our government. Make them join her together. Before we start, please don't fail to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Anything, comment box, anything when you on mind, put for there, I'll see. Touch that button. Another video come, you will see. God bless you. Yes, waiting they happen today now. Make we really look this thing very well. Because you get waiting I want talk. You see this water, kerosene, and fuel, they not be the same thing. You get as you go say, Mama, give me 1 naira. And somebody when needs 2,000 naira, they will give them the 2,000 naira. The one where asks for 1 naira, they not go give them. Because depend the tone when you use. If you like, you get as somebody will come, he say, I beg, do things for me. Or the way you use your tone, they send the message, you know go. Because you know send out well. Be like this thing. Those lazy youth now, when they call them, say they're lazy. Now, they don't come and say, okay, now we're not lazy again. We'll not come out, see what we want. Because when they do things, they look tomorrow, not just do things today. Say not today the end. Anything when they do, watch future. Because if you watch very well now, these boys now, or this youth now, of today, they fight for everybody. They don't fight for only themselves. They fight for our betterment. They fight for our future. Make life good for everybody. Because the frustration when they in Nigeria now is too much. How you go see young boy because he carry something for head, he carry a good car, he carry a good phone. You just hold him, you just finish your life immediately. Which kind of life is that one? But then it's small thing when I go there run. You don't say touch me. As you touch somebody, touch yourself, make you look. Put yourself in that person's shoe. If now you good, if when I just see small young boys, when I just ask some question, you know, see money give you 2,000, you go finish them. When I know they see them, when they laugh, when they clap on our hands, say this thing good. Okay, those boys come and say this thing will not need that again. When I say accept, when I disorganize the thing, okay, not work again. Only thing I do now to make sure say the thing where they do and I don't like them. Now I say what you plant one, I don't plant or could finish you. You plant a goosey. What do you plant? You carry your hand again, go cut all of them out, go weed them out, you go destroy all of them. Can you imagine toll gate? Can you imagine all those things? One I take on a hand, destroy. Your thing, when you say now you may say now you get them now because now you see they take the lion's share now. Now you get them. And when I want to do the lights, it turned to everywhere dark. You know, she said it better.
This is what we see in Nigeria. See what they are causing. See, they are releasing fire. They are releasing fire. Releasing fire. This is Lekki Toll Gate. This is Lekki Toll Gate. Soldiers have been sent down here. This is Lekki Toll Gate. Shooting at the Protestants. Shooting at the Protestants. This is Lekki Toll Gate. We need help here. We need help here. Protesters are still on the ground.
These days, we say things don't change, oh my brothers, my sisters. All these days, they want to go do things where we say go do them underneath, remain there. But now, no matter how you do them, they go still find out. You're supposed to know that one. You don't do now. Everybody they run here and there, here and there. They run. Why you go run? Because see the moment that they finish people. One, I remember say all those people when they finish take their life like that. They don't fall from heaven, no. A woman being nine born them. One and no pity people like that. Any smart on say they finish. Now they hear them. Now send those people out. Those us out. Maybe they do it in their life. No, for na caution. They say this thing not be so. We send on. They do this thing. Okay, you don't come out now. And I say why? And I go do again to put them for problem. Not say no good. I beg. Because the kind of video when I see now, you think they pay me? Let us imagine these few periods when protests there now. See what it don't go. See billions of naira when it don't go. That place not be Sulere they call them. See what they do there. See Samsung office. I just call only that one. See many things when they destroy. See billions of naira when it go. That thing when it happens, so will they go front or will they go back? May we ask ourselves.
This is Boditamo Street in Sulere, where there is massive robbery yesterday. All the whole offices, both Samsung, everything broken, carted away. The men of police just arriving. Everything carted away. This is Boditamos. Everything, everywhere, the whole shops, individual shops, destroyed. Everything destroyed. Everything destroyed. Everything destroyed. Everything. This is it. Everything destroy. Everything. This is Igwe shop. Everywhere vandalized. No pin, nothing. Everything. This is not the protest we are talking about. This is completely armed robbery. This is robbery. Everywhere. From beginning of Boditamos down to ShopRite. The whole shops. All the valuables. Nothing is left. Everything. This is sheer wickedness. This is wickedness. This is wickedness. Everything is vandalized. Everything vandalized.
That's why they use this opportunity that beg. We're gonna try more and join head together because those people, even those shops now when they destroy. I know say some of them, in case someone borrow the money. I know say they don't get the money. They borrow the money. How they want to pay? It may be somebody borrow money, I borrow money 1 naira, 200 naira, 2,000, 1 million, 500,000. I will pay you so time. How you want to pay? When they don't destroy those things, collect the load, collect everything when they get. And I not say bad thing. You know see the thing how they be. That's why they tell on and say, you get as you go do things, you go change. You get where you go dance the music, the tone go change. Not be as you start, not be say they end. Not as before they end, fellow not end well. Why not end well? Because when they tell say let my people go, let my people go. You don't agree. Not as they end, you don't end well. I bet more than they try. The thing no good. The thing don't they be careful. You don't they be careful. Frustration full. Hungry won't keep people. Bag of rice, 35,000. How much be somebody's salary for Nigeria? Some people they earn 15,000. If they sell a bag of rice, 35,000. How you want to eat? How you want to eat? Hungry first, now they first eat them first. All the great people, all of them don't run. Check outside the Western world these days. And people were great people, and then they come up for Nigeria. And people, if they still get their way, they see they run. They won't go. Everywhere. Frustration here and there. Anger. See the way everybody just a verse. Everybody just a verse. Why? Everyone and they travel and they see what they happen for outside country. One and no carry and go Nigeria, go you do like that. And I think say we went there here, we they happy. We not happy as we there here so. Because of as we find ourselves. Because they say crayfish, now fire, make and change color. Now make and bend. We went there this year, and don't say we happy. As Nigeria be so. I bet more na try, more na do Nigeria way. Light no day. Water no day. Road no day. Hospital no day. Waiting. And na Nigeria something day. If you want to talk of all of us know what they talk. Na Nigeria this thing day. Gosh, na Nigeria day. It day. One person go carry and put for inside a house. Bury him. The one when you see, remember, it take. The one when not remember, it day there. Whereas other people, they die, they throw away. Hungry won't kill people. Eh? You know good. Now, you don't they run. Everybody they run now. They run with their family. They run. But you know the same way they finish other people. And now forget that those people when they finish, they waste their life. So they don't fall from heaven. As when I get on our own, I say they burn those people. Oh my people will lose their family. I take now say I beg. Wanna take them easy. God go comfort on now. Even me, I'm not happy. As I see and so as I see those videos, I'm not happy. I beg, wanna take the thing easy. May God direct on what to do. Because when this thing start, they don't know say, I say it won't be. See many things, we'll see as everything don't waste. I beg my people, I beg more and try more and settle this matter well because the way the thing they go, let us speak. Now this one I get to talk till another video will come on your way.